Ain't no way.
Guys, Top Life Hacks here, and today we'll show you 5 different websites where you can earn money online. Let's jump into it. The first website is Slicethepie.com. Slicethepie is a website you can use to rate and review music and at the same time earn money. By simply listen to a song and give it a 1 to 10 rating along with 4 to 5 sentences explaining what you liked or what you didn't like about the song. The amount of money for each song you rate varies. Sometimes you can get as much as 18 cents and other times it's down to 7 cents. So, if you like to listen to music, you should definitely try Slicethepie out. The second website is Fiverr.com. Fiverr is a huge marketplace where people post services they are willing to provide for $5. Teens are allowed to sign up and post services here. Fiverr actually has potential to turn into more than your side money, because many people do actually make their living from Fiverr. And if you're wondering what kind of services to offer, then just take a look what other people are offering and see if you can do something similar. Fiverr pays you with PayPal, and after all fees you will receive almost $4 for every $5 order you receive and complete. The third website is mylikes.com. If you are a teen that are very active on social medias like Facebook or Twitter, you can earn some money by sharing links through MyLikes. You can sign up for MyLikes as long as you are at least 13 years old. They pay out with PayPal once a week on Fridays if you have earned at least $1. You also have the option of getting paid with an Amazon gift card. The fourth website is Qumi.com. Qumi is a browser extension that you can install on pretty much any browser. Once installed, sometimes Qumi will show sponsored advertisement on the side when you're searching on any popular search engine. Each advertisement will pay a certain amount, usually a few cents or more. If you visit any of the ads you see when they pop up, you will get that cash into your Qumi account. They will pay out instantly to PayPal, no matter how much is in your account. Qumi is open to people ages 13 and up. The last website is mysurvey.com. And mysurvey is another site you can use for taking online paid surveys, if that's something you like to do in your spare time, of course. For each service you complete, you earn points, and you can redeem these points for PayPal cash and gift cards. So yeah, if you like to do service, you should definitely try mysurvey.com. Okay guys, that was everything for this episode. If you liked this, remember to leave a like, and I see you next time.